Wah.
Selamat datang di Equator.
Wow. Wow. The guys here are really obsessed with the fishing. I think if there would be Olympic Games, fishing, Indonesian probably gonna win that. Smoking cigarette, fishing and drinking coffee, this is really what Indonesian men really about.
Wala mo dia wa bangan mang. Bojo aja mata nyola ipi mo de. Kita tembak mi nyola suang dapur.
Fishing men are everywhere. They are here on the shore and they even over there on a platform.
Salah paham ko yo.
Since I do like fishing, I think I can find a lot of common ground with these people. I just need one fishing rod and it's right over here. I'm already fishing. Honestly, a fantastic place to fishing because the environment is so nice. A backdrop of the mountain and calm water and morning breeze. Pop.
Ami, ikola baru nama nabe.
Another beautiful morning in Maninjau Lake. After my little fishing expedition, I'm ready to go out. And today we have a very interesting place to visit. It's an imaginary line of equator, and next to it Pasar Equator means market on equator. I'm really curious to see what you can buy on equator, what kind of fruits and vegetables available over there. It's only 1.5 hours from Maninjau Lake, so let's go and hit the road. He is my room guard. Without his permission, nobody can enter my room. Will you protect my belongings? Yes, please. Do your best. We made it, officially crossing equator. We made it. I'm on equator. As you can see, the equator crossing the North Papua, Sulawesi, Kalimantan and Sumatra Island. And I am in Sumatra right now. Someone selling satay, local barbecue skewers next to equator. But I don't see the pasar over here. What for you dancing?
International Minang.
Foto
Sure. Coming to Sumatra in Indonesia and cross the equatorial line gives you sense of accomplishment and you are ready for the next chapter of your life. What, these goats just crossed the equator. Also standing by the equator. You can say that immediately because the sun is so right above you and I have zero shadow. Yeah, this is how it works on equator.
We fight,
You fight.
yeah, because the war with Holland people, Belanda.
He defeated them. He kicked them out from Indonesia.
Yeah, like this.
I heard there is not so many people. Satu lagi minum.
Satu lagi.
Satu lagi. A museum dedicated to Imam Bonjol, some Imam of the past who defeated Dutch and expelled them from West Sumatra, or maybe Sumatra overall, I am not sure. Little museum, unfortunately not too many visitors at all in one page. In the entire year I saw no more than 30 signs. So you can imagine how many foreigners come to this part of the world. To this museum since the beginning of the year, only 30 people. What a unique architecture, you wouldn't see this anywhere else in the world, only in West Sumatra.
Oh, ni orang ya? Ya, nak turun ya?
Hah?
Di bawah lah, Pak.
Karena kakak hati-hati.
Another beautiful day in Maninjau Lake. Today was a hell of a day, amazing tropical day. By equator, we visited the equator line and then we went home for probably the heaviest rain I have ever experienced. My bike couple of times was submerged nearly by half. There is another lucky destination I would love to visit called Harawali, more commercial place, but known only between the local tourists. Okay, brother, I'm checking out.
Okay.
You are almost like a family. Is there somebody, can I say them bye?
Pi, nya kakapaikot ang mubili ka, Pi.
I can see. So I want to say goodbye.
You wanna check out now?
I'm checking out.
Are you sure?
After 5 days and after 10 years ago, I have been here.
Thank you for coming here.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
join with us.
So see you in 10 years.
See you in 10 years again, yeah?
Come on, come here.
Okay.
Okay,
Have a nice trip, yeah?
thank you. And the girls in the kitchen?
It's going to the market.
Oh, they left.
Yeah.
So everyone left. I have nobody to say goodbye. Thank you so much. I'm gonna miss you. It's a heartfelt leaving of this homestay for me. We've been staying here 10 years ago for 1 week, and thank you then for the good music every day. Thank you for the beautiful sceneries, for the good food. Felt like sentimental, don't want to leave. But I'm going to another place called Harao Valley, and going to the same homestay I also was staying 10 years ago. Let's see if the owner of the homestay, Abdi, I still remember me. I do speak local language, Indonesian language, since I was living in Bali over 12 years ago for a couple of years, and I learned the language a little bit. Becomes very handy traveling Indonesia, have a few words to exchange. Makes my life much easier over here. Also brings some sentimentals to my mind. You want to experience like what life been looking all times ago, when the major goal for the human being was just to survive. The Indonesia just gives you this experience. There is still not much going on. People are farmers, and their livelihood is just farm and produce from the farms. Down to basic necessities over here. Boys and girls has such a beautiful faces here. Sometimes I see the girls, they look very attractive, but how can you overcome the cultural differences? Muslim culture here is so prevalent. The local girls look so too Muslim. They start wearing the hijab when they are 5. Though it's not necessary by the Quran, they need to start cover their head after they got their period, but Indonesian go way ahead. So intensify Muslim culture. Hard to imagine how the Westerner can marry such a Muslim girl, because feels like a worlds apart to me. Though I can see so many attractive faces. Indonesian people, Indonesian women are beautiful, and Indonesian kids also. It might look sunny and hot, but it's not. Since we are on equator and our elevation around 1 kilometer above sea level, it's sunny, but it's fresh. Air is very fresh, and I'm wearing the long sleeve, and sometimes in the shady corners I feel even cold. Love it. Love the climate over here. And I sleep also very nice in here. Every places I stay, it's so airy, and by the closer to 3 or 4 in the morning I got so cold I have to pull on the blanket. Really nice climate, good sleep. I have a lot of dreams over here. As I told you before, I am a truly rain man. Everywhere I go, rain follows me. Not long before I started my journey to the Harao Valley, rain began again. Absorbing the surroundings. My eyes are smiling all the time. So much green over here. So much landscape. Wow, this 70 kilometers promising to be epic. Really fascinated how they're making the roads in this jungle at the beginning. When it is such a dense jungle, it really is not possible to walk through. Somehow they managed to build the roads over here. Always fascinated by these human abilities. Not surprised why so many foreigners want to build a house in Bali. The nature is just wow, blowing your mind. But not so many foreigners stay permanently or having some properties in West Sumatra, since it is too local, very specific culture, and is not internationally developed. Too many goods you wouldn't be able to access to, like in Bali or probably in Thailand. Thailand is absolutely comfortable. Here is much more difficult, but to visit, to travel through Sumatra, unbelievable. Highly recommended. Very exotic West Sumatra with little or no tourism. Twists and turns, and then you're on another side of the canyon. It's incredible. Oh my god. I haven't had such adventure feelings in India, perhaps except Sikkim. The Sikkim was so nice, was too little traffic, and the road was also spectacular, always at the edge of the canyon or valley. Oh my lord, how beautiful it is here. No speed bumps, not too much potholes. Go. Very remote village. I bet if they ever seen the foreigner over here.